Ultimately, the urgency is driven primarily by the explosive demand for advanced generative AI as well as large language models. You've got, those two key factors along with the major commercial and financial incentives tied to that demand. When we look at top hyperscalers like, your Amazons, Microsofts, Apple, Meta, Alphabet, or Google, better known as Google, we're seeing widespread investment across the sector, really specialized around compute resources as well as ensuring that they have the equipment that they need to build out these data centers, as far as power gen, water, cooling, etc. All the various technologies that go into building out these data centers. When we look at some of the work BCC has done recently, we've estimated the global data center market to be just under $400 billion in 2024. We're projecting double-digit growth over the next 5 years, reaching approximately $691 billion by 2030. So, obviously the hyperscalers are leading the way for this growth. And it really is their ability to escalate and handle these massive, fast-growing, both AI and cloud workloads.